Frustrated by noise on your customer calls? You're not alone. Background noise is an issue for 64% of contact centers and costs the industry up to £143 million per year. 74% of call center agents are at risk of burnout, and the call center industry has the highest turnover rate of all, at 30 to 45%. Iris Clarity solves this by removing distractions in real time for both your agents and your customers. Using the latest in machine learning technology, Iris Clarity isolates the voices on a call, resulting in cleaner, clearer conversations. Available as a desktop app or a server solution, Iris Clarity seamlessly integrates with your existing setup and works with all common VoIP platforms. Try it today and bring some clarity to your contact center. Hi, I'm Diana Gieman-Wallach, and I'm Head of Product Marketing here at Iris. Welcome to the Call and Contact Center Digital Summit. I'm excited to be here to talk to you about Iris and our latest product, Iris Clarity. Iris is an audio technology company that lives and breathes audio. We've seen a lot of improvements in visuals and very few improvements in sound. In fact, we've gotten used to hearing bad audio. That affects us in more ways than we imagine. Iris Clarity is the latest product in our suite of tools, and it uses the latest in machine learning technology and AI to isolate your voice and remove background noise from your call and contact centers. It's been developed in the harshest and most challenging environments, including Formula One and NASCAR, and we're bringing this peak performance technology to your contact centers. So what is Iris Clarity? Iris Clarity is an AI-powered software which removes distracting background noise from your online and customer calls. It works in real time, and it's bi-directional, which means it works on both sides of a call. So you can remove background noise from your contact center for your customer and from your customer's background for yourself. The question we often get is, but I have noise-canceling headphones. Iris Clarity works beautifully with noise-canceling headphones because noise-canceling headphones cancel the noise around you for you, but your customer still hears it. With Iris Clarity, you can not only cancel the noise around you, you can cancel the noise around you for your customer and vice versa. Ambient noise is listed by 64% of contact centers as one of the biggest issues, and it's not something that's been solved for to date. Unfortunately, because we get used to this noise around us, we underestimate the impact that it has on our brain, causing mental fatigue, impacting our performance, and affecting agent well-being as well as customer satisfaction. So Iris Clarity will help you drive real business results. Clearer conversations will increase the average call time because you'll have better connection with your customers. They're less likely to hang up on you when you call them. They're more likely to listen to what you have to say. And it will increase the success rate of your calls. Ultimately, you'll have fewer calls of better quality with shorter time to resolution. It'll also improve your customer experience. When a customer gets a call from a contact center or calls a contact center because they need help, having background noise is the most frustrating thing. You'll have less repetition, fewer misunderstandings, and you'll increase your customer satisfaction. In addition to that, you'll increase your employee well-being. The employee churn in call and contact centers is the highest of all industries. That's insane. Imagine the money you spend hiring new call and contact center agents, training them up to the level you need them, only to have them leave soon after. Having Iris Clarity improves employee well-being so that they stay longer, they feel more empowered to do their jobs, and they feel proud of the success that they've achieved for your company. Enough talking. Let's see how Iris Clarity works in action. I'm going to start some ambient background noise that you're surely all too familiar with. There we go. We're hearing phones ringing, other people talking. You're all too used to the sound. And the worst part is, you think that you can work around it. The science shows that that's not the case. Your brain is actually working overtime to compensate for that background noise, which creates additional mental fatigue, affects your employee well-being, and ultimately impacts your bottom line. Now, let's see how Iris Clarity works. That's better. Now all you can hear is my clear speech, my voice, the most important part of your business, which is ultimately the conversation. Another familiar environment might be your home environment. Following the pandemic, large banks and call centers have moved a lot of their operations home, and we either have a hybrid setup or entirely remote. This causes other complications in background noise, including children, appliances, dogs barking, construction, you name it. This space is not fit for purpose, and beyond that, it creates a lot of inequalities between employees. Some people live in multi-generational homes with lots going around in the background, while others have dedicated home offices that are perfectly silent. Iris Clarity helps smooth out these inequalities and brings professionalism and focus to all of your call center agents, no matter where they're working from. Let's see how this works in action. Ah, yes. I'm sure some of you will recognize those sounds. Now, let's see how Iris Clarity works against them. There we go. Much better. You wouldn't be able to tell where I'm working from if you're calling, right? Now you can focus on my voice, the conversation, and the matter at hand, which ultimately is all that matters when customers are calling your business. Now I'm going to show you how to use Iris Clarity on HubSpot, which is one of the many CRMs we support. I'm going to call my colleague Scott, who's working from home today. So I go to HubSpot, click on Make a Phone Call, open Call Options, hit Call, and I make sure that Iris is selected here in the audio drop-down menu.
Hello, it's Scott speaking.
Hi Scott, this is Diana calling from the office. How are you doing?
Yeah, good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing all right. There's a lot of background noise where you are.
Sorry, just before you rang, I started making a cup of tea.
That tea kettle can sound quite loud.
Yeah, sorry about that.
That's okay. I've got Iris Clarity. I'm just going to pop it on for you. That sounds better.
Yeah, much better.
Amazing. Scott, thank you for demoing Iris Clarity for us.
Thank you for calling me.
Talk to you soon. Now that you've seen how Iris Clarity works, let me talk about some other benefits Iris Clarity offers. First of all, it's designed for scale. It's an easy and fast installation on your existing setup so that all you need to do is set it up and let it run. It's designed to scale with your business, whether you have 50 seats or whether you have hundreds of thousands of seats. It's widely compatible across VoIP platforms, server-based solutions, and any video conferencing apps you might use. In addition, it's optimized for performance. We've trained Iris Clarity on some of the wildest environments you can think of, including NASCAR racetracks, Formula One driving, all of this to improve communications in those harsh situations. Imagine that quality software in your call center. We use the latest in AI technology and machine learning and adapt it to your call center and the ambient sounds that you're most likely to hear. Furthermore, it eliminates noise on both sides of a call, as I mentioned earlier, so only one person needs to have Iris Clarity installed in order for both parties to benefit. Our model has been trained on hundreds of thousands of hours of common noises and counting. So if you have a particular noise that you want us to cancel against, just let us know. We've actually had some people ask us to cancel out chicken and farm noises because that's where they're conducting their operations. We can do that. In addition, we've got a market-leading PESC score. PESC is an independent method to measure speech quality and re-rank among the highest in the market. Furthermore, Iris Clarity works with zero latency and very low CPU on your machines, so you don't even notice it at work. Finally, Iris Clarity is completely secure. Security is of the utmost importance to your business and for us too. Nothing is recorded, nothing is stored on your device. You can rest assured that your data remains 100% secure. We've also been certified by Cyber Essentials to protect you from cyber attacks. We've been pen tested for the strictest security controls and SIG audited for simplified and standardized IT. We're also compliant with the latest PCI DSS compliance to keep all your credit card information secure. Iris Clarity is built for any environment, whether you're a call center agent taking calls from the call center floor or at home, or whether you're a customer calling from the side of a busy road, from an airport, or from home or your own office. Think about it. When customers are calling you, they usually have a problem. They don't have time to waste trying to make out your voice against the busy background you're in, or struggle to have you understand them on the side of a busy road. Iris Clarity smooths out all of those distractions in a simple toggle switch. So get a competitive edge with Iris Clarity. It's a simple 3-step process. Just contact our sales team, they'll assess your needs. Install Iris Clarity on your existing setup. We have a solution for you, whether it's an SDK implementation, server implementation, or a simple downloadable app. And finally, enjoy clearer conversations without the distractions.